Codename Verity is a novel set in World War II and framed as the written confessions of two best friends. Julie is a radio operative turned spy who was captured by the Nazis while in occupied France. And she is tortured, she is interrogated, and she is forced to write her written confession. And instead of giving the straight names and dates, numbers that she is asked for, she instead tells the details of both her captivity by the Nazis and the story of her best friend Maddie, how Maddie became a pilot, how she met Julie, and how the two girls got into this mess in the first place. It is brutal, it is angry, she is very defiant, she is not happy about this, and she hates herself. The first line of the novel is, "I'm a coward," and the other prisoners hate her for being a collaborator. The second half is Maddie's point of view, where she is trying to find Julie, trying to rescue her, and it is told in diary format as to what happens when she's trying to figure out what to tell her superiors afterwards. This is a novel that the letter format actually really helps because it lets you create the sense of immediacy and urgency, and it's something where you're going to get a lot more if you read it as a paper copy rather than an e-copy, because it lets you see the different formats. There is humor in this novel, mostly from Julie's sense of sarcasm and defiance, and she is mocking her interrogators, and so the different papers that she has to write on, like the recipe cards, the hotel stationery, and the prescription tabs, all play a part. And this is something where it is amazingly plotted, and the reviews all tend to go, yeah, we did not see this twist coming, this is amazing, and it is a puzzle box narrative, almost, where you are going to, at the end, either go finish it once you reread it, so you can catch what you missed and see how it all came together. And I have read it twice, and I will say that it does hold up on the second reading, and despite knowing the twist, it does help where you can see how it happens. And the other option, of course, is going to some other poor soul, going, hey, read this, it emotionally devastated me, but you're going to enjoy it. And I will say that this is not for younger readers or for more squeamish readers, because it does get into details of her torture, and Julie is unflinching about saying, well, in the narration style, has Julie being unflinching about what happens to her and how she's being tortured. So if you're squeamish about that, I would avoid it. But this is a brilliant book if you have an interest in World War II, about ladies in World War II, about best friends, and the chances they'll take for each other. I would recommend this book to you. Go forth and read it. Enjoy!